Alright, this is 14021 113th Ave in Largo, and I went through the stack on the back right hand side of the house. It's a 3x3 combo. See if we can get in there. 3-inch cast iron. Looks absolutely beautiful. Got a couple little roaches in there, but this is going to be the 3x3 combo that's going to go into the main line. This is going to run out the front to the clean out. We're jetting all this already. Pushes are going to be a 90 right here. And you can see that. Actually, it looks like we might have gone up a toilet line. Oh, I see. So we hit that 3x3 and kind of went backwards. Towards the back of the house. See if we end up going the same way. Yep. What's the problem with those 3x3 cast iron pipes? So cast iron looks nice and round and beautiful. The problem is going to be that 3x3 cast iron combo. So you can see where we've got this toilet paper hanging up in here. That's what's been happening is it's been backing up. I'll show you where when I get to it. Right here. So this fitting right here, it's a double Y. So that front, that middle one right there, that should go probably back towards the kitchen. And then the other side's gonna go over to the other side of the house. So whenever toilet paper or something hits this spot, it's not flowing freely out to the sewer. You can see the curve in the pipe, but it kicks us straight over to the other side. Just calling the plumber and letting him know what the deal is. Cast iron looks good. It's in beautiful shape. I'm coming back over towards the right side of the house. And I'm back at the bottom of the stack. Now I'm going to conclude the video.